scuba doo. We're out here looking out over the Rio Puerco river basin. I have no idea what it's called, but I call it that because I'm so used to it being the Puerco. So we're just kind of checking out our descent into the basin here. Walking out.
I have my eye on a rainbow.
Yeah, so far I think we're golden.
On a rainbow.
We're parked up there for right now. Oh my, they don't want you going here. That's what they did. Look at this. Somebody threw a bunch of nails to say don't go up this way. That's what this is right here. Wow. You can go that way.
Yeah, you see right there. I come up this road.
That's cool.
This side.
That was
yeah,
fun.
I think. computer! Tell the right tire!
I got it. The right tires. Nice. Driver. Oh, baby. You did hit, but very slightly.
Yeah, very slightly. Show your underbelly!
Drive a little bit. There you go.
Drive!
Yeah, you're good, you're good. Yeah.
Whoa! You got a big rock right under you. If you broke off a piece of rock that big, it was right under your truck.
Oh, okay. Did I damage anything?
I don't know, we'll have to see.
You're gonna pretty much have to go straight.
Okay.
I think you got enough clearance
Okay.
because your back tire is actually gonna run a little on top of that ridge.
Yeah.
The thing is, if you take it fast and you slip,
Yeah.
this is gonna damage your
So just go as slow as possible.
metal. Yeah.
I think I'm getting off.
Okay, get off. That's fine.
Oh, why are you turning?
I don't know. It just feels like I should.
I keep it
Yeah.
that way. Keep
Right
it
there?
Straight.
Okay. Ready?
Very slow.
Just step back a little bit. I don't want dirt to fling in your face. You're good. Real nice and slow.
Oh, that's perfect speed.
Yeah, just like that. That's what you want.
Oh, okay, you slid,
Yeah.
but you might be okay. You got this much room on your body. You can see it.
Wow. It feels like I have no room. My wheel's good?
Okay, forward a little.
Let's get a little.
Passenger a little bit.
Wow, you are.
That's good.
You are hugging that.
Keep going. Very slow.
It's getting it. My steps are hitting it, I think.
Yep, you are. You're hitting it. I think you are going to.
Yeah, this is sandstone though. I don't know.
I don't think you're gonna. You're gonna drop before you're even. You may bottom out.
It's just sliding on it. It's not damaging it right now. Keep going.
Wait, hang on.
It's gonna get higher right there.
Yep.
Over here.
You look underneath. I don't know. Look underneath real quick. I think you look okay underneath because you're, even though you're going to start dropping in the front soon, your back's coming up. You could throw a rock under his rear tire.
That might be a good thing to pop you up a little.
Squeeze in there and
Let me get a rock.
put a couple of rocks.
All right. That might just spit him out, but pretty good back. Yeah, my only concern is
Yeah.
like this. Like
Keep the steering wheel where it's at. You're fine. Just crunching that rock.
yeah, you just spun out. Okay, you're gonna get on the other one. Let's see.
Okay, I think you got traction
You
now.
want to come over?
Yeah, after when you get to save it, I don't like
Yeah, you're good. You're good. I'm coming off of it.
Okay, go just a little passenger.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Straight. Just
Okay.
straight.
Yeah, it's straining out. Your rear is hitting the. You're gonna have to go driver a little bit. Because you're rubbing the rear.
Oh gosh. Tire?
Yeah. There you go. You're totally clear in the rear.
That's 1 hour, right?
Wow.
That's 1 hour.
Yeah, that was not 1 hour yet. All right. Woo! That was some technical stuff.
Yeah, I don't think there was any damage on that at all.
Yeah, I think it was just your step making all that noise. All right, let's see what grindage we did here. Looks like we cleared everything. The only thing that was grinding was his step on his, right there. This is the only spot that we had some grindage going on. Dragged it there, but that was it. And it was just a step. This does look like something happened here. I'll have to check that.
It probably just went right over it. Probably.
Yeah, let's see, where do you got it?
You put that on?
A little sand there, a little dirt. So here is, looks like we did scrape a little right here, but it looks more like it was just sweeping it, not actually grinding into it. This is like no damage at all. You basically were just sweeping it. Billy just took this down, and so did David. They both did this beast. Went up and over.
Good deal. Yeah, exactly.
How was it? How was that drive?
It's awesome.
That was probably the most technical drive we've done so far.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it felt like it was all you guys. I just put on.
I don't see any sweat on his forehead. No beads. I think he was cool as a cucumber the whole way.
No, that was awesome. That's
That's
fun.
cool. Awesome.
All right, let's
On
do
to the
this.
next.